Today we will be learning how to make a pellet using a 25-ton manual press and a stainless steel die set. To begin, we place the base onto the bench and assemble the cylinder body onto the base. Once complete, carefully place one of the pucks onto the bore of the cylinder, taking care not to jam it inside. From there, insert the aluminum cup and place the filling cylinder inside the bore. Insert the sample and compact the sample down using the filling rod. Remove the pellet filling tools as seen and place the pellet film across the second puck. Insert this into the bore, taking care not to jam it. From there, carefully insert the plunger into the cylinder body. Now place the assembled die set into the press and press until the tonnage is achieved, in this case 25 tons. From there, remove the die set and remove the plunger from the cylinder. This will make removal of the base easier. Reinsert the plunger and apply a light load across to remove the pellet. The compacted pellet can now be mounted into the XRF for analysis.